If you clicked on this video, 9 times out of 10, you're trying to grow your hair. You're trying to figure out what you can do to accelerate your hair growth. Before we get into, how I've been accelerating my hair growth, the journey I've been on, and some of the products and tips that I use, first I just want to give y'all a little bit of background. If this is your first time seeing me or clicking on my channel, my name is Nicole. My channel is all about self-improvement, self-care, and just really inspiring the people that watch my videos to live a more beautiful life. So if you like that type of content, I know y'all hear it all the time with YouTubers, but if you do, definitely subscribe to my channel. Just hit the little subscribe button. Also turn on the little notification bell, so whenever I post, YouTube will notify you and you can see what else I'm putting out there to inspire you. So let's get into it. I'll probably put this in the title, the thumbnail and all that stuff, but we're gonna get right into it. This is right here what's helping me to really accelerate my hair growth. So I've been on a journey since like November last year, so about 6 months, trying to repair my hair from the heat damage. Long story, go back to some of my previous videos to just kind of see what I'm talking about, my journey. But my hair was like super healthy, super long, and just so beautiful. And now it's on a journey of like repairing. But we're doing okay, and thanks to this product right here, we're on the right track and we're growing like really fast and back to what we used to be. So this here is the Jamaican Mango and Lime, that's the brand. Black castor oil. It is extra dark. I did a video, I don't know, a few videos ago, maybe a couple months, on some of the top hair growth oils that I use, so check that out too. I think the biggest thing that helped me, the top #1 that helped me to really get my hair back healthy, repaired, like seal my ends so it's not breaking as much, and to just grow at a rapid rate, is all of the natural oils that I've used. So I've used the biotin oil, I've used castor oil, I've used tea tree oil more so for my scalp, and there's another one that I use. Y'all have to, I'll link the video if I can find it in this description or above. But this one too, lately this is all I've been using, and I'm seeing the growth, especially with my braids. Y'all can see the growth. Don't judge me, don't judge my scalp, don't judge my braids. We'll handle that in the future videos or after this, I don't know. But my braids have been in for about 4 weeks, which is not too long, but my hair has really grown so much, and I've put this on literally like every night and every morning. This is the extra dark. So I've used Jamaican castor oil, different brands. Like, I'm not promoting a specific brand, but I have found that the extra dark is like what really has been accelerating my hair growth. You can use this on your skin too. I've used it on my skin. My skin has been going crazy too. So I've used this on my skin as well, like at night to So it's extra dark, rapid growth blend, fast acting and absorbing. It's vegan, strengthens hair, seals moisture, hot oil treatment for scalp, skin, or hair, skin, and scalp. So that's the reason I tried it on my skin, because I was like, okay, it's for skin. So I put it on my scalp, I put it throughout my braids, and then when my braids are not in, I just kind of like rub it through. You can also use it as a hot oil treatment. I haven't done that yet, which I could, and I probably should do that, incorporate that into like my my hair journey. But I was like, let me just share with y'all this Jamaican black castor oil. So one thing I don't like about this bottle, I ordered this one from Amazon. I'll link it in the description. So it's not broken or anything. It's just like a glass bottle. It's not broken or anything, but for some reason, I don't think it is, no. For some reason, when I sit it on the counter in my bathroom, there's always a little ring of oil on the counter. And I'm not exactly sure why that is, but it kind of like leaks. So you definitely want to be careful with this so you don't get oil all over the place. It's really thick. So it's a really thick consistency. So as I have like all year long, as I've been like doing my hair growth journey, hair repair journey, I have not been blowing out my hair, have not been wearing it straight. It's just been a slick ponytail, like wash it, brush it, you know, detangle it into a ponytail. I've only blow dried it straight once or twice, and that was to get braids so that it could be easy for, you know, to braid it. So twice this year. So if you're gonna wear like a blowout and you want your hair flowy, you know, you don't want to put this on your hair because it's gonna weigh it down, it's gonna be stiff. So that's like the drawback if that's what you're doing. But if you're like me and you're on this hair growth journey, you probably want to be staying away from doing too much to your hair anyway, and like putting heat to your hair. And it's the summertime, so where I'm at is I'm not about to wear no blowout anyway. So that's like the downside to this. It's a very heavy oil, so it's definitely intended to like block moisture. Like I said, if you have split ends, like this is great for it. So like I said, I feel like I keep saying like I said, but so when I wash my hair, I condition it and I detangle it and put into like a little slick bun. Y'all can see in some of my other videos or my thumbnails, when I do that little slick bun, I just detangle it, water and some oil, and that's it. And just wear it like that. And it's good for like if you're on your fitness journey with working out too, because your hair is not going to sweat out. So I think if you're really trying to grow your hair and accelerate the hair growth, take a break from heat completely for like at least 6 months or something like that, and you're gonna really see a difference, because I'm seeing it already. And it's not that my hair wasn't really growing, because my hair grows fast, my nails grow fast. It's more so that my hair was damaged. It was heat damaged and my ends were like split and frayed. It was just terrible. So this is really good to like seal those in, to lock the moisture and to allow your hair to actually grow, to like see the length retention versus, I have new growth here and you could tell it's growing, but it's not getting longer because it's breaking. So it's growing, it's breaking off, it's growing, it's breaking off. So this is really good to avoid that, to prevent that, and to really see the length that you want. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, but I just kind of wanted to share this. I do a lot of product reviews on my channel, stuff that I actually use. Occasionally people will send me stuff to review and to test out, and I'm always going to give an honest review or honest opinion on something. So this is just Jamaican black castor oil. Like I said, I got it from Amazon, so you can probably use any brand, but this one is good, y'all. I like this. Extra dark, it's really thick, and it's really going to do its job. But yeah, I think for me, so I said in the beginning of this video, my goal is to inspire anybody watching to live a more beautiful life. And that's really subjective. That's whatever it is to you. But I know for myself and, you know, a lot of women like me in my age group, whether you're late 20s, 30s, you know, reality is like, we want to look a certain way. And I think for me, it's not about looking fake or filters or like makeup. Like I like makeup, but I also want to just look naturally healthy and beautiful. And I think your skin, your hair, your nails, all of that is important. So that kind of is a part of my living a beautiful life. Like I want my hair to be looking healthy and flourishing. I don't want to have to wear a wig. I don't like wigs. You know what I'm saying? Wigs are for some people, it's not really for me. I'll do it occasionally, but I want to wear my natural hair. I want it to be healthy. And I don't want to have to wear a wig because my hair is so chewed and damaged and all that stuff. And I also don't want to have to wear makeup because my skin is all discolored and stuff. Like I'm just trying to really get my hair, get my nails, get my skin just to a better place. And that's a part of my beautiful life journey. So I don't know. Let me, aside from that, like my mental health, my body, it's so many things that come together to make a beautiful life for me. Like I don't want to be stressed or look at myself in the mirror and be like, I don't like what I see. And so I'm just taking steps constantly to, you know, live a more beautiful life, whatever that means. So let me know in the comment section. I would love to know what a beautiful life looks like to you. Like I tell people all the time, while money is great, luxury is great, I'm a very simple girl, so I don't need Gucci, Louis, Prada, Chanel. Like, those things are nice, and I've gotten gifts like that, and there are certain things I've bought myself, but that's not like what makes me happy or feel fulfilled. I want to wake up every day and just be happy and smile, and I don't want to be a bitter girl, because I have been a bitter girl. Like, I walk around with my face balled up, not because I knew I was bitter, but I don't know, I just wasn't the happiest, best version of myself. So we're talking about hair growth in this video, but it's bigger than that. It's like, if my hair being long and healthy makes me happy and makes me feel more beautiful, makes me live a more beautiful life, let me do me. That's fine. Like, whatever it takes for you to feel fulfilled and to live a beautiful life and to not be stressed and to not be worried, I'm all for it. So I don't know if anybody can relate to that. I'm sure y'all can, because I have conversations with my friends all the time, like, you know, just life is hard enough, like, let's make it beautiful. That's my mission, that's my purpose, and hopefully that resonates with somebody. I know I've gotten comments like, even with my social anxiety, that's a part of my journey to living a more beautiful life, is going to therapy and talking to my therapist about, like, trying to unpack, why do I have social anxiety? Like, where does it stem from? And it stems from me. It stems from my thoughts about myself, my impression of what I think people think of me. And so whatever it takes for you to live a more beautiful life, to be the best version of yourself, like, I'm here to inspire you. I want y'all to inspire me, because we get one life, and I'm tired of being stressed. I'm tired of overthinking situations. And yeah, if I'm walking around looking like a bald head, stringy head girl, like, that's not gonna make me happy. Like, it's not the end all be all, but I don't want to be a bald head baddie. I want to be hair flowing. Like, look at some of my old videos. Y'all can see my hair and how it's like thriving, and it's kind of depressing to look back and be like, where's my hair? Like, I literally text my sisters when I discovered my heat damage, and I'm like, I'm bald. Like, this is gonna sound silly, but like, as for my height, I don't like being bald. Like, I'm 5'10". I don't want to be a tall, bald baddie. Like, I agree that confidence is key, and like, no matter what you look like, no matter, you have to own whatever space you're in, whatever phase you're in. However, if I'm in a phase, or I'm in a moment of time, and I want something to be changed, to be better, or I don't like where I'm at, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to do something about it. And I think that applies to anything in our life. Like, I feel like I'm ranting, but some of the girlies love it, so we're going to do it. But yeah, it applies to anything. Like, your job, if you're miserable in your job, you can't show up as your best self. But you can, in the meantime, right? We all need to, like, pay our bills and stuff. So one of my things is how I present myself every day. So I'm going to get up. I'm going to make sure my hair looks polished or to my liking. You know, my eyebrows, my face, my whatever, my outfit. I'm going to walk into my job every day and just own it and feel confident, because it's going to make the experience better versus worse. So if you walk in there, I talked to my therapist about this, and we called it getting geared up. Whatever you need to be geared up for your best day, to show up as your best self, you need to do it. For me, it's my hair, my skin, my nails, my outfit. Like, it's beauty, but it's also health and wellness. There's certain things that I drink in the morning as a part of my regimen, my routine, to start me off in a good place. Working out, trying to get back into it, it's a whole nother story. But yeah, whatever it takes for you to be geared up, to live your best life, and to live your most beautiful life, I'm here for. So if your hair growth struggles is bothering you, breakage, you feeling bald, you feeling like, damn, how come my hair won't grow? Go ahead and get you a bottle of this. At least try it, it's cheap. This black Jamaican castor oil, and just use it consistently. Just with anything you do, you have to be consistent. Working out, taking your vitamins, you know, your skincare routine. You have to be consistent to see results. So don't think you can just do it in one little pass and you're gonna be good and your hair's gonna be all the way down your back. No, you need to be consistent. I use this morning and night. Just remember, it's not good if you got a blowout because it's gonna weigh your hair down. But other than that, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all tried it, and I hope your hair grows as long as you want it, and I will see y'all in my next video.